sprinkles they got at Dollar
Yeah, we had to move fast, and I was like, just get the Barbie sprinkles.
Yeah, so.
What was this supposed? Yeah, we got chocolate frosting, and we're making a yellow cake. I love that.
Cupcakes, my friend, cupcakes.
Yeah, we're making cupcakes. This is the cupcake. Is it good? What's wrong?
I definitely have to hand mix that. There's something that's stuck.
Oh, is there like flour still? There's probably flour still in the bottom.
No, there's like something.
Oh, begin again.
Like there was eggs still here.
Oh. Of the cake batter.
It will come out.
Smile!